I got this request recently to do a chocolate magic custard cake, so I thought of doing that for you all. For this recipe I am using 4 eggs. I am going to separate this into egg whites and egg yolks, and 175 grams raw sugar or light brown sugar, and 115 grams melted butter, quarter cup of cocoa powder, drops of vanilla, a few drops, and pinch of salt, 110 grams plain flour with 2 tablespoons full corn flour, and 2 cups of milk. So I'm going to separate the eggs first. Now into a mixing bowl, add the egg yolks first, and into that going to add the sugar, salt, and the melted butter, and going to mix this about a minute until it all combines. After, add the corn flour and then the cocoa powder, plain flour, and keep on mixing about 1 minute. After, add the milk and mix that and leave it aside. So once you mix the batter, it will look very runny, don't worry about that. Next, going to add the egg whites into a separate bowl. I added the egg whites into a mixing bowl. Now going to add a pinch of cream of tartar, or you can add a drop of vinegar into this, and going to whisk this until it becomes comes to the soft peak. So the egg whites are ready, and going to take it out and put the egg whites into the prepared cake batter. So put the egg whites and then fold it slowly into the batter like this. So I have this loaf tin ready. If you like to do it in a cake tin, you can do that too. A square cake pan, and butter or oil the paper and pour the mix in. It will look really runny, so don't worry about that. So mix it really well again in the tray and bake this on 170 about 40 to 50 minutes, or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. So the magic custard cake is ready, and I took it out from the oven and going to leave it in the tray about 15 to 20 minutes, and after I'm going to transfer that onto a wire rack to cool down completely. So the magic custard cake is ready. I'm going to transfer that onto the chopping board and going to cut the sides first. So it's really nice with the layers. If I cut in the middle, you can see the 3 layers of the custard: the bottom layer, the middle layer, and the top layer. And it's you can serve this as a nice dessert, or even goes well with a nice cup of coffee. And hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.